In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your video into black and white in CapCut. Converting your footage to monochrome is a quick way to add mood, simplify your visuals, and create a timeless, cinematic feel. I'll walk you through the essential steps and share simple tips to help you get a clean, consistent result. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop or mobile version. The process is very similar. If you haven't launched a project yet, create a new one so you start with a clean timeline and an empty canvas. Next, add your video. Import your clip into the media bin, then drag it down to the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to edit is selected. You'll see a highlight or outline around it. Working with a single clip is easiest when you're aiming for a uniform black and white look. Now, click on Filters. This is the tool that applies an overall look to your video, similar to a preset. On desktop, you'll typically find filters in the left panel or above the timeline. On mobile, look along the bottom toolbar. If you don't see it right away, gently scroll the toolbar. Filters is often grouped with other visual tools. From there, go to the Mono category. Mono is where CapCut organizes its grayscale styles. These options remove color and focus on luminance, contrast, and texture, which helps your subject and composition stand out without the distraction of color. Finally, select a black and white effect. You'll see several monochrome variations. Some are punchier with deeper blacks, others are softer with more midtones. Click or tap a style to preview it on your clip. If the look feels too intense or too flat, adjust the filter's intensity slider to fine-tune it. Subtle changes go a long way. Aim for a balance where skin tones, shadows, and highlights retain detail. If your clip includes multiple shots and you want a uniform look throughout, apply the same filter and intensity consistently so everything matches. Play the timeline to preview in real time. Check faces, skies, and textured areas like hair, fabric, and foliage. These often reveal whether your contrast and brightness feel natural in black and white. If something looks crushed or washed out, dial the intensity up or down until you're happy. And that's it. By opening CapCut, adding your video, heading into filters, navigating to mono, and choosing a black and white effect, you've turned your footage into a clean, classic monochrome look with just a few clicks.